guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another influencer unboxing. Now I want to try these products for you guys, but I just tried another brand today. So I'm just doing the unboxing because, to just be honest, tomorrow's garbage day and I have like 3 influencer boxes looking at me and they need to go to the recycling. So I just wanted to do the unboxing today. That way I've done the unboxing and I'll probably have a review and combine them together. But anyway, first off, if you don't know what influencer is, I have a whole video on it. I do not want to ramble about it, but it's a free app where you can get different stuff. Makeup is not the only thing you can get on there. You can get hair products, which I have gotten, mainly because those two are like my main interest. But there's other things on there that you can get if you like food, decor type of things. You can go check it out. My referral code is down below, as well as I'll leave the video on my tips and tricks, how to get free boxes, all that jazz. But anyway, this is the box that I got. I got this week. Today's Thursday, so yeah, I got it 3 days ago. I got it on Monday because I got an email that, oh, you're getting this box, and then when I went into the app, I didn't see it, so I was like, am I getting this box? I'm not getting this box, but it got updated, so it is in my influencer box for me to do the steps and all that jazz. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it. As always, it says influencer. This box was not a box that was decorated like I showed you guys other boxes, which is fine, but sometimes you'll get the box that is just regular plain color. It's nothing like decor. So I got 3 products. This brand is called Kosas. I actually have not tried this brand, so instead of trying it, it is formulas that feel good and improve your bare skin with every wear. So the 3 products I got, I'll just go through them as in the order. So the first thing I got, in the order it's written on here. So the first thing I have is the Tinted Face Oil Comfy Skin Tint. It is a clean, light coverage skin tint and nourishing skincare elixir with a velvety finish that still looks like your skin, just way more even, healthy, and balanced. So I'm guessing this is just something that kind of just, it reminds me of another product that I got from influencers, so I'll see how I like the 2 better. I might do a comparison video too. Now I'm thinking about it. It makes me play my makeup more because I just don't want to waste it. Because like I said, I don't use it on a daily basis. So this is the Tinted Face Oil Skin Tint. I got the color 8.2 tone, which is, I'm not too sure what color that is, to be honest. It says this is the future of foundation, by the way, so I'm guessing this is supposed to be like, because it's like a lightweight. It's kind of reminding me of the other brand that I got, the Milk Makeup, so I definitely want to do a comparison between them now because they're both like tint oil stuff. So having trouble getting it out of, okay, here we go. So this is what it looks like. Mine's a little like it got squeezed on something. But yes, it says Tinted Face Oil. And then let's see here. I want to open it just to kind of see. But it's like, okay. Yeah, so the color is there. I don't want to start squeezing stuff because then I'll just make a mess. But the color, well, it came out. I didn't even have to. Let me close this before I make a mess. It came out on its own. So this is the color, the shade, the 8.2 color. It looks pretty similar to the other color that I have, but we will see if it matches my skin well. So yeah, this is really like oil, so you gotta be very careful. Literally, I just dunked it and it started, and that's really like starting to drip. So I had to actually clean my hand because then I would have this all over my clothes. So be careful when you're applying the product. It's kind of like one of those things, those products probably need to use and put it on like a sponge or a beauty blender, a beauty blender, so that you're able to use it. So the next thing is the Revealer Super Creamy Brightening Concealer and Daytime Eye Cream. It's a medium coverage, super creamy concealer, eye cream, and spot treatment in one that it visibly brightens and helps reveal better skin. So it says helps with spot treatment. So I want to know because I did a makeup look. You saw my video by now on the Milk Makeup, and I still got the spots on my face showing, so I wonder if this would work well. I think this is also in the 8.2 tone as well, skin tone. I'm trying to see how I open this without messing this up. Okay, so this one looks good. It looks a little bright, but I think it will match my skin tone for the most part. I like the packaging of this one. I don't like wasting products. That's why I normally don't do swatches. Ooh, this is cool. It looks like some oil or something is infused in here. If I'm not mistaken, I see something in the tube. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like it's infused, but this is... That's the color. And so I like how the brush is as well. It's like a straight flat brush. I almost put it in my face, but I forgot I have makeup on already. But yes, so I'm interested in trying this. Very interesting. It's an eye cream as well, so it's like a dual thing, 2-in-1. It's a concealer and a daytime eye cream. So interested in trying that too. And lastly is which is, they said this is a new product. It's the Cloud Set Bake Setting and Smoothing Powder. So I actually never used a setting powder or a bake powder, but I know I've seen a lot of people use I think it's a Sasha powder or something like that. So this would be something new that I would add if I would try it. It says it's a super soft sheer setting and smoothing powder baked with skincare actives that sweeps away shine, not glow, and feels like nothing but looks like everything. So this is the packaging. It says Cloud Set on it, and open it up. Oh, so the color that I have is Silky Sheer Tan Deep. They should kind of show you the color already. So I just hope that every time I get one of these packages, I just hope that the color matches my skin. That's always my concern. Like, is it gonna match? Well, that I like it, but that also, is it going to match my skin tone? Because when stuff don't match your skin tone, you can't really use it. Because, I mean, well, you can find other ways to use it, but it's just not the same because it doesn't match your skin tone. Okay, this is a tricky one to open. Alright, I got it. I really like their packaging. Did I say that already? Because I do. This is really nice. So this is what it looks like, and then you just open this up. I'm trying to see. Do you press something? Yeah, for me being the slow one to not know how to open this. It definitely opens on this side, just not sure why it's not open though. Oh, okay, so you have to click it down. And then this is what it looks like. So this shade also looks like it's gonna match me well. I don't know, I think I've gotten better in choosing shades, but like I said, it's very hard when you're they give you a whole list of shades and you gotta look does this one look closer to my skin or does this one? So, but it looks like it's going to, so definitely decided to try these next. You guys gonna just keep on seeing me do a few makeup reviews. Just know that coming soon because I just keep on getting makeup products. But it's definitely nice to get them because I can try different things. And these are all the 3 products that I got. Now comment down below. Of course, I'm gonna do a review on all the products. But also comment down below if you guys want me to do a comparison between this tint oil, because I think it's pretty similar in terms of the type of product that was made. Versus the Milk Makeup Skin Tint Facial Oil. If you didn't see that video, I'll link it up so that you can check that one as well. Because I think I want to do a comparison to see which one provides better coverage and also which one just feels better on my skin. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of the Kosas line. Stay tuned for my review. Probably will be attached to this video, and if it's not, then it will be another video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And follow me on my social media platforms down below. My Instagram and my TikTok. Those are the 2 that are mainly letters. Okay, and I'll see you guys in the next one.